Hello, future engineers, subscribers, viewers, and students. Here is the problem that I assigned to you, and I supposedly give you +5, but because none of you submitted the solution, then I will be forced to present to you the solution. So this is the problem, the 10 kilogram collar A and 20, this is A, 10 kilogram and 20 kilogram collar B are held in place on the smooth bars by the 3-meter cable from A to B. So the length of the cable from A to B, this cable here, is 3 meters. And the force F acting on A, and it is parallel to the axis of this bar. The force F is parallel to the bar, so determine the magnitude of F. So for the solution, take note, we have right triangles here. This is a right triangle. This is also a right triangle. For this right triangle, this length, Z 4 meters, 3 meters because of that 0, 3, 0. For this right triangle, this is 4 meters, 4 meter X. Then this is 5 meters, or 5 meters for Y. Therefore, the length of this bar is square root of 4 square plus 5 square by Pythagoras theorem. So it is square root of 41 meters. So I denote this as YA, and because the total length from here to this support is 4 meters, so if I call this XA, then this should be 4 meters minus XA, that is YA. So by similar triangles, YA has to, uh, this is YA as to hypotenuse 3, which is that, equals 5 meters. This is 5 meters, and the hypotenuse is square root of 41. So solving for YA, it is 15 over square root of 41, or 2.343 meters. So having found YA, we can now compute XA by similar triangles again. So by similar triangles, opposite 5 meters as to adjacent 4 meters equals opposite as to horizontal 5, 5 over 4 equals YA, is YA here, which is 5 over square root of 41 as to 4 minus XA. So simplifying, we have 15 times 4 divided by 5, that's 12 over square root of 41 equals 4 minus XA. Solving for XA in decimal, it is 2.126 meters. So therefore, this point A here, to this position of the collar, will have coordinates x 2.126 XA, YA 2.343, which is that, and Z is 0. It lies, this bar lies on the XY plane, so that's why Z is 0. Then, for this triangle here, right triangle, opposite to this angle is 3, adjacent is 4. So that's why we have YB has to 4 minus Z sub B equals 3 has to 4. So cross multiply, 4YB equals 3 times 4, 12 minus 3 Z sub B. So expressing YB in terms of Z sub B, divide this everything by 4. So 12 over 4 is 3, then 3 over 4 is 0.75. So minus 0.75 of G sub B. And because the length of cable AB is 3 meters as mentioned here, so distance AB square is equal to, so we have XA minus 0. By the way, this is 0. The value of X for collar B is 0. Quantity square plus YB. So this is first written. So YB, or it is YA minus YB, vice versa. So if I use YB, anyway, it is squared YB minus YA, and YA is 2.343 quantity square equals G sub B, this G sub B, as Z sub B minus ZA, which is 0 quantity square. So only G sub B is the unknown in this equation after we substitute the value of XA 2.126 minus 0 quantity square. YB is 3 minus 0.75 of G sub B, then minus 2.343 quantity square plus Z sub B square. Simplifying further, 9 equals 4.520, and this is 3 minus 2.343, that's 0.657 quantity, 0.657 minus 0.75 G sub B quantity square plus Z sub B square. So only Z sub B is unknown. In this equation, you can use your high-tech calculator, or you may simplify this further and apply quadratic formula. So I'll just use the high-tech calculator because that's allowed in your case. So solving for G sub B is 1.956 meters. So if G sub B is 1.956 meters, YB is 3 minus 0.75 of 1.956. So YB is 1.533 meters. So we now put the coordinates of collar B. It is at 0, X is 0, YB is 1.533 meters, and G sub B 1.956 meters. Therefore, the tangential unit vector of this bar is 3 minus 0. So this is 0, 0, 0, 3, 0. So 0 minus 0, so 0i, plus 3 minus 0, so 3j, then plus 0 minus 4, so negative 4k, and divided by square root of 3 square plus 4 square, so that this is the unit vector of that bar, 0.6j minus 0.8k. So take note that on bar B, there are 3 reactions. We have 3 forces, rather. We have the tension in AB, we have the normal reaction on this bar, and 20.981. So that the normal reaction, which is perpendicular to the axis of the bar, will have no component in the direction of the bar, then we apply that product. So summation of forces along the tangential axis in that direction equals 0. So we have to obtain the component of T in the direction of the axis of the bar, then plus the component of this mass, which is the weight is 20 times 9.81, so 196.2. In vector form, it is negative 196.2. Its component along this bar can be computed by dotting its value with the unit vector of that bar, so equals 0. Now, the unit vector of bar tangential direction of bar B is already calculated. It is 0.6j minus 0.8k, and because this is the equation, this is the value of T in vector form. T is, so it is going in that direction. So 2.126 minus 0i, magnitude of T, quantity 2.126 minus 0i, plus 2.343 minus 1.533. Calculate 2.343 minus 1.533 is 0.81, then j, then 0 minus 1.956, so negative 1.956k, divided by the magnitude of AB, or the length of AB. Since the length of AB, cable AB is 3 meters, so we don't need to apply square root of 2.126 square plus 0.81 square plus 1.956 square, that's 3, in fact. So, simplifying further, 2.126 over 3, that's 0.707. So, T times quantity 0.7087i. then 0.81 over 3, that's 0.27J. Negative 1.956K over 3, that's negative 0.652K, dotted with the unit vector of the tangential axis or the bar, that bar there, where B, collar B, resides. So 0.6J minus 0.8K. Then dotting this component of the weight negative 196.2J with the unit vector quantity 0.6J minus 0.8K, then equals 0 because this is in equilibrium. So the component of T, if we factor out T, so we have 0.7087 times 0, so none. So we begin with 0.27 times 0.6. So that's 0.27 times 0.6. Then negative 0.652 times negative 0.8. So this is it. Then this is negative 196.2 times 0.6 only. Remember that product? The value, it has a value if it is dotted with the same corresponding component. So negative 196.2 times 0.6 equals 0. So from this equation, we can now solve for T. It is 196.2 times 0.6, so positive to the right, divided by the quantity 0.27 times 0.6, because this is positive, plus 0.652 times 0.8. So that's why the magnitude of T is 172.2. Take note that it is directed in that direction. When we transfer to point A, this T here is not the T in this vector form, but rather the negatives of this vector form, because it is now in the opposite direction if we draw the free body diagram of collar A. So proceeding, so at A here, we have F vector dotted with lambda, or this unit vector of this bar. So that is just the magnitude of F. The result is just the magnitude of F. When vector F is dotted with the unit vector, but they have the same direction, it is simply the magnitude of that F. You can verify that even if you express F in vector form and then multiply it by this unit vector, which is already calculated, which is this. Then plus the reason why we use this equation, so that the normal reaction at A is not involved again. It is perpendicular to the axis of the bar. So when we apply that product, it is not involved. So plus T, and this is the original T if it is from B to A. This time it is from A to B. So we just make this negative. So that's why we have T. Let's make this negative 0.7087I, negative 0.27J, and this becomes positive 0.652K, dotted with the unit vector of that bar, which is negative 4I over square root of 41, and plus 5J over square root of 41, plus the component of this weight, which is 98.1, negative 98.1 in vector form, dotted with the unit vector of the bar again, which is negative 4I over square root of 41, then plus 5J over square root of 41. And that should be 0 because the system is in equilibrium. So simplifying, we have T, which is 172.2 from this. Then quantity negative 0.7087 times negative 4 over square root of 41. So this is positive. Then negative 0.27 times 5 over square root of 27. So that's it. So the rest would be 0. Then minus negative 98.1 J. So we should multiply, we should get or multiply or dot it with the corresponding component 5J over square root of 41 and equals 0. So this value is positive 0.2319, then 172.2 times the value inside the brackets, 0.2319, then this is negative 76.6, then equals 0. Transposing this to the right, 76.6 minus 172.2 times 0.2319, we can now solve F 36.87 Newton. So that's it for this video, and I hope that your knowledge, your technique in analyzing force systems in equilibrium, especially for force system in space, will be increased.